a circular motion of a particle with a constant speed. That means a body moving in a circle in an uniform speed. Is it periodic? Yes. In a constant speed, it will come to the same place in the same interval of time. It is periodic, but it is not simple harmonic motion. So periodic, but not simple harmonic motion. உனக்கு தெரியும் simple harmonic motion the condition என்ன acceleration equal to minus omega squared x வரணும். அது simple harmonic motion இன்னும் கூட சொல்லலாம். It should be represented by sin or cos function. அப்போ rotational motion cannot be an SHM or it cannot be represented by sin or cos function. அதனால the simple harmonic motionல ஆனா இது என்னது periodic motion repeats in equal interval of time. So answer is A.